Pie holders, listen closely. This is the moment you've been waiting for, and it's happening right now. Dr. Nicolas has finally revealed the future of Pi Network, and the implications for every holder are massive. We are diving deep into the technical briefing that just leaked. This isn't just another update, it's the roadmap to the finish line. To understand the future, we have to look at the scale of what has been built, a global ecosystem of millions. Dr. Nicolas emphasized that the transition to the open mainnet is no longer a distant goal, but a countdown that has begun. The data shows a surge in KYC verifications and node stability, crossing the critical thresholds required for the next phase. Utility is the core. The focus has shifted from simple mining to real-world transactions within the Pi browser. The ecosystem is maturing rapidly, with hundreds of applications now being tested for mainnet readiness. What does this mean for you? It means the value you've helped build is about to find its place in the global market. We are seeing the final pieces of the puzzle fall into place. The open network phase is the final destination. But with this progress comes risk. Scammers are everywhere. Dr. Nicolas warned that security is now your top priority. Never share your passphrase. The Pi Core team will never ask for it. Your security is the gatekeeper of your future. The updated roadmap outlines specific technical hurdles that must be cleared before the wall comes down. Watch these dates closely. Each milestone brings us one step closer to liquidity and true decentralization. This isn't just about technology, it's about the power of this massive distributed community working together. Pi is reaching corners of the globe that traditional finance has ignored. This is a financial revolution. Dr. Nicolas' vision has always been inclusivity. He wants every person on Earth to have access to this new economy. The technical architecture is specifically designed to handle the scale of billions of users without compromising security. The final hurdles are mainly administrative. Mass KYC is the bottleneck that the team is now aggressively solving. New algorithmic solutions are being deployed to speed up the process while maintaining the highest integrity. The strategy for holders is simple. Stay informed, complete your checklist, and consider your lockup settings. Long-term holding through lockups provides the network with stability and rewards you with higher mining rates. As we approach the open network, the focus shifts to how Pi will be valued through its actual utility in the apps. Real-world goods and services are the primary drivers of Pi's future value. This is not just speculation. Don't wait until the doors open to get your house in order. The time to prepare is right now. Check your mainnet checklist today. Ensure every step is green and your wallet is secured. Stay active in the community. Share this update with your pioneers to ensure no one is left behind. The future of Pi Network is closer than it has ever been. Dr. Nicolas has laid out the path. We will be here to guide you through every step of this historic transition. Stay tuned and stay ready. This is the future of finance. This is Pi Network. Don't miss your moment.